All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Java project in Visual Studio Code. I had a video on this a few years back, but the process has changed a little bit. So here's the updated video on how to do it the proper way. All right, so you're going to want to obviously download Visual Studio Code. I'll create a link in the description that you can use to download it. Just pick your operating system and do the regular installation process. You're also going to need to install the Java JDK. If you have been programming with Java on your computer before, you probably don't need this. But if you've never have done any programming before with Java, you will most likely need it. So I'll provide the link to that too. And that's another one where you just kind of pick the operating system and go ahead and just install as regular. All right, so then once you have both of them, you can go ahead and open Visual Studio Code, and you're going to click on this little icon here for extensions. That'll take you to a page that looks like this, and you're just going to put in Java extension pack in this little search bar here. And then this is the icon you're looking for, a little cup like that, and it says extension pack for Java. It's by Microsoft. Go ahead and hit install. My screenshot here only shows uninstall because I already have it. After that is installed, you can go ahead and go to File, Open Folder, okay, and then you're going to click the New Folder icon. Put in name of folder, whatever you want to call it. In my example here, I just called it Java Files, and go ahead and click Create. All right, after that, you're going to select that folder and hit Open. And then you should see over here to the left says Java Files. That's how you know you've done it right. All right, so now in there, you're going to select Command-Shift-P. If you're on a Mac, it'd be Control-Shift-P on a PC. And you can start typing in Java, and this should come up. You should see it'll say Create Java Project. Go ahead and select that. And then there's a few options here. I'm going to recommend you go with the No Build Tools. And then go ahead and select the Java project location. And what you want to do is select that folder that you had just created. All right. And then after you do this, as soon as you click this select, look up at the top of your screen. This is kind of a subtle thing. It's easy to miss, but it'll say up at the top here, input a Java project name. You can give this a name, whatever you want. I recommend don't have spaces in the name, but whatever you want to do. And then put in the name and then press enter. And now your screen should look like this. This is how you know it worked. You have this lib folder, the src folder as well. And so that's how you know it worked. And so the src folder is going to be where you're going to do most of your programming, actually all of your programming. So you can open up that folder and simply create a file by selecting the this icon here, the little plus sign next to it for a file, and then any file that you create with a .java extension, which you should give it that extension, and as long as it has a main method, you should be able to click the play button, and it will go ahead and run your code as a Java interpreter. So that's it. That's the way to get up and running with Java on your computer. The one thing I'll say with Visual Studio Code, the one thing I'll add is if that play button up here is not even appearing or is not working for you, go ahead back to the extensions area. That was the icon right here, right? And you're going to search for Code Runner, and this is the icon that you're looking for, and just hit install for that, and that should take care of it. You might have to restart Visual Studio Code, but then that play button should appear and should work. And you can create subfolders inside the src folder and just use this for your projects, and just if you need to create a new project, just run through these steps again, starting at creating a new folder. And you'll be good to go. Let me know if this works for you. This should get you up and running with Java on Visual Studio Code. Thanks.